Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the controller has charge or is plugged in. This prevents drops during pairing. Once done, power on the Xbox and sign into your profile so you can confirm connection. Now locate the console sync button. On Series X it's on the front, on Series S it's on the side, and the small pair button on the controller. Press the controller pair button for 3 seconds to begin broadcasting. You'll use the console button in the next step. Once the controller LED flashes rapidly, press the console sync button within 20 seconds. This tells the console to accept the new device. Make sure you watch the controller light. A fast blink means it's searching, and a steady light means it's linked. If the light pauses or blinks oddly, connect the controller via USB. This pairs immediately and lets you install firmware updates through the Xbox Accessories app. After updating, try wireless pairing again to complete the link. You finish by testing every control input in a quick menu check. Buttons, sticks, and triggers should respond instantly. If the controller doesn't respond, restart the console and try pairing again. Power cycles clear temporary radio issues. If problems persist, reset the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds to force shutdown, then redo the pairing steps. One key tip: interference from other wireless devices can disrupt pairing. Move away from routers, phones, or microwaves while syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.